It's time for the final and ultimate comparison, the Neo Geo Mini against the Retro Arcade.
That's made from China. Oh wait, this is also from China.
Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector, and I'm back with my buddy.
Well told!
And today's video we are going to do a quick comparison between the Retro Arcade and the Neo Geo Mini, the Japanese version. So, alright. Are we going to play the game? What are the differences? My turn is first. We got 4 buttons, we got 6 buttons. Your turn.
We got a higher stick, we got a lower stick.
And this one got more like a 4x3, and this one got an widescreen LCD. And what is, maybe I don't think it's your turn, but do you see the difference?
This one does have HDMI, and this only composite VGA or whatever.
AV out, yes.
Yes, something like that. No HD.
Let's see. I think you can see it on the camera, but this one is a little bit higher, so I don't know if this, for playing with this thing, I don't know, is more comfortable or less. And both systems, I'm just gonna say it, got the controller ports. This one comes with controllers and this one comes without.
Indeed, but you can buy them separately.
Yep, for a lot of money. And now we are going to do a little of a controller comparison.
This is really mini, like it should be, and this is just
the
as
old
big as the
clunky
original
thing.
one.
So yeah, but of course, what is the main and the most important difference? This is just a Neo Geo version, or it just plays Neo Geo game, and this is a multi-platform system.
All-round emulator system.
So this plays a lot of games. Let's see if I can give
you can also play music and some things like that. So.
As you can see here, we got a lot of systems. I did some extended testing, so check them out in the playlist of the Retro Arcade if you want to see more. But we're going to focus more a little bit of the comparison between the two systems. So we'll do some gameplay and let's see how the Neo Geo game's running on the official product and the fake one.
Yeah, good comparison.
Alright, let's try in side-by-side gameplay. You're going to play with the right one. Who's faster? Who's faster? I died.
Me too.
What? Hey, we spawned at the same time.
Okay, let's go with the tank.
Where's the other button? Where's the other button? I can't find it. Oh, here it is. Oh, go away! No!
But the screen is so clear.
Alright, my personal opinion, if you compare these two little devices, I personally really love the Retro Arcade, not only if it has multi-platform support, but the screen, and you are really agreeing with me with this one, that the screen is really nice.
It's so clear.
Yes.
This is on the highest brightness, and you can see that this still has a little bit more details on it.
Yeah, what is also very important, the Retro Arcade comes with 2 controllers, and they're not that great like the original SNK, but still, it's complete. It's a complete package deal, and the Neo Geo really awesome, but way expensive than the Retro Arcade. The software itself is not as great of the Retro Arcade. You can notice that the hiccups and lags and the music is not great, but I know there is improvement. But straight out of the box, the Retro Arcade is not perfect at all. So.
But they will release some new software or something like that?
Yeah,
or?
they are working with open dinguks, so they are using on other portable systems. But in this video, I want to focus on out of the box because a lot of people really don't know how to do it and
how to change it. Yeah, I know.
So out of the box, the Retro case is really awesome. I really love it. But if you want to play Neo Geo games, I think the official product is still better.
Yeah, if you're a Neo Geo lover, yeah, we prefer this. But if you are an all-round gamer and just want to play some games, also Neo Geo, and also for the price, yeah, this is really recommended for around $70 or something with 2 controllers.
Yeah, complete out of the box, plug and play.
I hope someday, besides the software changes and upgrades, so the games will play a little bit smoother, please HDMI.
HDMI, indeed, that is something you really need to consider. So yeah, that concludes a little bit this review of comparison. Yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell, and see you next time.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.